What's poppin'? What's good, guys? It's your girl Hairdo, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm rocking a new look, short hair girly. I have decided to cut my hair because it was falling off the bone and I was over it. There's no point of keeping something that's dead, no point of keeping it alive. But today I am trying something new on my short hair and I'm going to be dyeing it. So I will be dyeing it this color. Hopefully it comes out this color. And as you can, like on the side, y'all know, like the cream, if you don't know, cream of nature, it comes with like what it should prospectively look on the side. So I have black hair, so this is going to be the shade that it should come out to. Let's hope for the best. But so this is my before, and let's hope that I get a great result. Okay, so I have put all the color in, but in the instructions it says that to use warm water, and I already threw it with a glove. So my mom has this glove, so I just put warm water in the bottle. I already see it changing, but I'm just putting more. If I had another glove, I would use both hands, but I don't have another glove. I only took one, and I'm just pulling it and combing to make sure like every strand has it. Can't see the back. Let me get it right here. I have it here right here. I can kind of see like right here doesn't have none, and it's at 25 minutes. But this color, I got 2 boxes, just to be on the safer side, but I'm gonna keep it because I know like the way my hair, it might grow, I don't know, my hair might grow pretty fast, so like I might not do a touch up, but I'll just like cut it all off again just to do it again, if that makes sense. So this is the finished product. It came with a conditioner, like an ultra deep conditioner after color. I put it in, rinsed it out, did my whole little shower and everything. So this is the finished product. But I like the color. I thought it would be a little brighter, but let's see, like, cause you know I feel like when I'm in the sun, it'll look completely different. Right now, the sun has completely gone down, so I can't even say let's go outside and let's see it. But I think I will show it tomorrow morning, because tomorrow I have an early day. And I'm actually making this a weekend vlog. So this is what I'm working with for probably the next 3 to 4 months. I don't feel like doing it again would work. It'll probably damage the hair. I do still have straight ends, as you guys can see, but I will shape it up on Saturday or Friday. I think I would like style it this way tomorrow with some gel, just to give it a little different look. I don't know. Like, you see how right here is so light? Like, I wish like everything was this light. But the thing is that you're supposed to do a test, and I didn't. But I think for the first time on my short hair, it is a good thing. Like, it's good. But I think if I want to touch it up, I'm gonna have somebody do it for me, so it can look like like this. I really want it to look like this. Like, this is so pretty. But I like the overall color. It's not bad. But yeah, I want it to look exactly like this. Like, oof, that's a nice color. But I know, like, obviously trial and error. So the next time I probably do it, I will probably get the honey brown and get like a blonde, mix it together. That might eat. But this is what it's looking like. So I have my little tight curls. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so as you can see, I've been fighting with it and nothing is working, but I think I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm trying so hard and it's genuinely not working for me. So I'm just going to, I think for tomorrow for work, I think I'll just like finger curl it, but it's gonna be a while. But like I said, this is an awkward stage. Never done this before. The line is not straight. Normally I'd wear the side parts on this side, but I don't want to wear it on this side. I want to wear it on this side. So we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. So I'm just gonna add some more of this gel. This gel, I put it in on last week and it got my hair heavy. I don't know how often you're supposed to wash this hair, but it's given every 3 days or something, because having to put the product in plus water makes it, first of all, I wake up to my hair dry every morning. Like I said, it's gonna take some getting used to, but still I think I'll just do like the finger curls, like for the week. But then how do you upkeep it? The edges part is definitely gel hair, so we're just gonna swirl it. Because I feel like doing baby hairs at this stage is kind of it's insignificant. It's not gonna make a difference because it's short. Okay guys, I'm heading out. The weather's confusing, so it's either it's gonna rain or it's sunny. Like, it's gonna rain or it's sunny, not an in-between. So right now I'm gonna go get my Dunkin'. No.
Hi, how you running?
Hi, can I get the large strawberry dragon fruit refresher with green tea, please?
Absolutely. Something to eat?
No.
My pleasure, come on.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
This drink, guys, oof, It is so good. So guys, I have forgot to record on Saturday after I got to the place I need to go. After I got my Dunkin', I went to some places and I absolutely forgot to record, and I was out pretty late. But right now, after like, you know, cleaning my room and getting everything together and putting my laundry in the washing machine, that's what's going off in the background. Right now I'm going to start to meal prep for the week and figure out what that menu is going to be. Okay, so this is the meal prep for the week. It's about 4:52. I love when I end at this time watching one of my favorite shows right now. I love when I finish before like 5 o'clock because that means I can do every other thing. But this was really good. The rice is fluffy, not too much turmeric. So this is gonna be the end of my vlog. I've done everything I need to do. I took a shower, I did my skincare, brushed my teeth, and all I have to do is wear my retainers now. But other than that, this is the end of my weekend vlog, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.